Our Bubba boat, starting the Bubba boat.
Yeah, starting the Bubba boat. Ooh, that was bad. Actually, I'm not very good recording. Did you get the shitty splicing thing you're recording?
Yeah.
Alright. So, take 2. Did some fixing. So it shouldn't sound like a fucking squirrel getting raped. We're back in business.
Awesome sauce. Gasoline in the schmeg.
Gasoline from the Diet Coke can. Oh, that's a little much.
Okay.
Oh my, she's gonna explode.
All right, Holden, we.
Uh-oh.
What's happening?
I don't know. She just fire over, so.
Not awesome sauce.
Ain't got no-
Take 3. Oh,
She works, I promise.
she works.
Wait.
Doing-
J.B. Weldon, the end block back together because she fucking exploded. Because, wasn't winterized, yo. We got, you can't even see it, but, yeah, maybe you can. I mean, let's see. Right there, she's quacked. So we're gonna put some of this very finest JB Weld in the town.
They're recording.
Right in there.
Absolutely.
This is me unpacking the JB Weld.
Water?
What? No, never used this before. Hopefully I don't have to go and buy another tube of it.
We have 2 of them.
No, not anymore.
What happened to the other one? Oh, use it
Bubba.
on Bubba's car.
Hold it down!
Should be good enough.
You know.
Give me enough.
Oh, was it actually?
Dude, quit yelling shit in my house. Yeah. Oh, this shit reeks. How do I put this back?
Oh yeah, JB Weld does reek.
Uh-oh. Where'd that little spoon go? No, where'd the spoon go?
Fucking use this shit.
Oh, that's like actually expensive. It was always right there.
All right, found spoon, guys.
Found the spoon. We're gonna mix this here. We're gonna mix it till it turns about. Oh, that reeks. Oh my! It smells like actual cat shit.
Does it actually?
Cat shit and piss is what this smells like. Here, JB Weld can weld your dreams back together.
What?
Oh shit! I
What
need
the
light,
heck?
yo.
I have cinematic mode on my iPhone.
Thank you, Tony.
You're welcome. No problem. This ain't no exhaust leak.
I don't know what's wrong with it. Got no gas in it.
Okay, Keevins.
Hey man, put some respect on my name.
I didn't keep it.
Dude, 5 minutes flat. Mind your way.
No.
Alright. Hold it down.
Yeah, that's perfect. Give me that. That's perfect, right? You apply evenly.
How long does it take to clear?
I have no idea.
I think it takes like 15 minutes.
8 hour.
I think this one is 15.
Make sure, if you guys do this at home, make sure you wear gloves because you don't want to JB weld your foreskin together. Not be able to fucking jerk off.
Thank you,
Oh, let's see. Is that the end of the crack? Can you move the light over this way? Good. That is definitely not the end of the crack. Holy crap.
You know,
That's supposed to gas in it.
I fucking, you know, I duct tape my, not duct tape, I fucking super glue.
It's an Arthur thing to do.
That's what a Keller would do. You're like, what is this Randy?
Where's the rest of it?
Little fucking 4-year-old me in Brazil.
Were you born in Brazil?
Is that a diesel? It's a V8.
Thank
What
you.
the fuck?
What was it?
Slow it down! It was a cop.
Where's my shoulder? But it's got